Hello, my sweet friends, and welcome back. If you're new, my name is Nicole Cole, and I am the Vintage Southern Belle. Today is going to be really special. I have changed a few areas in our home. I want to take you through the house and show you certain areas that I have decorated for the summer months and the 4th of July. This is a very big year, and I wanted to kind of make it extra special for the family for the summer. So I hope y'all enjoy today. If you have not hit that subscribe button, I'd hope you do so because I've got a lot planned. I plan on posting my I plan on posting my videos every Friday around 4 or 5 o'clock. So I would love it if you could join me. It's a blessing to be able to share. I'm so glad that I'm back on YouTube and able to share with you guys. So let's just dive right on into our video for today.
Feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick. All the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.
You are my shelter from the storm. You keep me safe inside your wings. You are my comfort when life gets hard. You lead I know your voice. I'm not afraid. Walking with me at the same pace.
All right, guys, I am so thankful you were here with me today. So thankful that I get to share with you all. I hope you got some inspiration for your home. And I hope that y'all have a great 4th of July weekend and spend time with family and be at church on Sunday. Thank y'all so very much, and I appreciate all your comments and support. It's been such a blessing to me. So I hope you'll continue to watch. I plan on posting them every Friday. So if Lord's willing, I'm going to get you a video. Thank y'all so much, and happy 4th of July.
When I wake, I know you are with me. In the dark, I can almost see